outside of your water, right? So we're going to test what's inside the small intestine, but when we test what's outside, you're saying we should see food molecules there. Okay. Go ahead.
Maybe there's something we could do by like using like those things that putting with the water and like putting like swabbing the water on each side and then checking with the bacteria levels or like the levels of like glucose if they're still underneath that.
Yeah, so there's actually a way you can test it. That's what you're going to use today. So we're going to test it using 2 different chemical indicators, and that's why you need the goggles. You're going to also use, fortunately, we have to use 2 different ones. They're going to tell us if there's starch. So we have iodine, which it looks like it's like really dark in the bottle, right? But when you actually go to use it, it's like this orangish color. So the iodine, when you put iodine in something that has starch in it, it is going to turn black. So it is really obvious. It's either going to stay the exact same color or it's going to turn black. Really easy to see. Either there is starch in it or there's not. Okay, iodine stains. You do not want it on your hands. You don't want it on your clothes, right? Obviously, we don't want it in our face. So that's why you make sure you have gloves and goggles on, right? The other one we need to do, what's the other thing we need to test for beside starch, Emma? We need to test for glucose. So this is a different indicator. It's called Benedict's solution. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, so pretty. This one, when it's in the presence of just water or something, no glucose, it's this beautiful blue color. When it's with glucose, it's going to change color. This one can be a little confusing because you can get a range of colors depending on like how much glucose is in there. We're just looking for a change in color. Does it change color?